Tegenungan Waterfall, situated in the lush landscapes of Bali, Indonesia, is a captivating natural wonder that beckons adventurers and nature enthusiasts alike. Nestled within the dense foliage of the Ubud jungle, this breathtaking cascade is renowned for its serene beauty and tranquil ambiance. As visitors approach the waterfall, the harmonious symphony of cascading water becomes increasingly audible, creating an enticing prelude to the mesmerizing sight that awaits. Tegenungan Waterfall, with its impressive height and powerful flow, plunges into a crystal-clear pool below, inviting visitors to revel in its refreshing embrace. Surrounded by vibrant greenery and tropical flora, the waterfall provides a picturesque backdrop for those seeking respite from the bustling city life. A well-maintained pathway leads visitors to the base, offering opportunities for a leisurely stroll through the enchanting natural surroundings. Tegenungan Waterfall is not merely a spectacle to behold. It also serves as a popular spot for swimming and immersing oneself in the cool, revitalizing waters. Whether one is seeking adventure, relaxation, or a communion with nature, Tegenungan Waterfall stands as a testament to the breathtaking beauty that Bali has to offer.